Who's your two medics? One of you's supposed to be with me. Hey, you can stay there. We're gonna move up and see what's up.
Hello everyone, and welcome to our video from Other World Milsim's Night Sky 8 at EMR Event Park.
What's his name with the camera?
We start this event off with fighting on the east side of the field, south of the bunker, fending off an enemy push towards the North City.
Caleb, did you turn the camera on? Just click the button once. They're moving up on the actual road now. I got one. Did we get the other guy?
Hell yeah.
All right. We got both of them.
Hell yeah.
Guys, you're going to start getting in range. We're going to try to suppress the best we can, but you might need to gun it as fast as you can, right? One at a time. Try to make it to that building with the 9 on it. Okay. All right, fucking go, 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 go. Hey, I'm sending one across.
What do you guys? You guys Delta too?
Yeah. All right, hey, start bouncing our guys up to me. Medics where you're at, riflemen where I'm at. Oh, Trevor, you can lay that motherfucker out. Can't see them, but they're on. There's like a fire team on the tombstone. Ah, of course I'm fucking out. All right, that dude right in front of me. Trevor, right in front of me, like close. Trevor, I'm out of ammo. There's a...
Here.
This dude's fucking close.
It's sort of working. It's sort of working.
He's like pistol range.
I got a hot one for you when you're ready.
He's just not calling it. Do you see that guy, Trevor?
I do. I'm loading.
I got him. Thank you.
No problem.
No, I'm pulling back. Hey, they're pushing hard through this right. I'm black on ammo.
After holding off the enemy forces for quite a while, we ended up running low on ammo, and with a friendly squad coming in to reinforce, I pulled our squad back to refit on tourniquets and ammo.
We're moving back!
You camera started?
Yes.
Okay. Watch out, it's slick.
After refitting, our squad was retasked at the CP to go to City North as it was under attack. As we approached City North, we realized the friendly element there had pushed into the castle, and we quickly followed up behind them to provide support.
Those rifles in first.
Moving in. Moving in. The rep is keep an eye on first floor, second floor has been cleared.
Don't know about first floor?
First floor is unknown.
Yeah, top floor is good. Alright, hey, if you keep eyes on the entrances, I'll send my squad down and we'll just start clearing out the rooms. Alright, hey, Delta!
Oh, they were
Clearing out the first floor! Suits 12, they might be hit though. They look hit. Alright.
Hey, if you didn't scan in.
If we stop, so they're in this bunker over here, right?
That was a grenade.
That flare mean?
Town was destroyed.
So we can't go through there?
After clearing out the castle and capturing the point, I decided that I should take our squad and with this momentum push on to a following objective. However, as you'll see shortly, we ended up catching an enemy squad off guard and rerouted from our original plan to attack this enemy force.
Got two. Hey, fuck that. We got contact left. Pushing in. Guys in the building. Hey, maneuver element on me. Hey, this is maneuver element on me. All right, we're just gonna start going down. Trevor, that's on you and the medics to start laying in that building. We're gonna fucking hit them. No, not us. Just those squad. If it's Delta 2, it's squad leader. Fucking lay fire on these guys and start maneuvering. Hold on, left now. I'm moving up to this tree over here. All right. Sorry. Ah! I'm gonna be fucking tourniqueted up by the end of this.
A lot of blood loss. All right. Good job, buddy.
Watch these trees in front of us. That's where those dudes scooted to.
Keegan. Good. Okay, never mind.
After capturing the point and eliminating the enemy team, we were replaced by friendly reinforcements and returned to base to reload, and then continued on past the helicopter crash around towards ranch.
Hey, are those baddies coming down the road right there? That's not their spawn, is it?
No.
I got one. Hey, I'm coming to you. He's close in front of you. Oh, I can't see through my fucking scope. Oh. Yeah. Oh, I fucking shot his. Oh my god. I got a little bit of range. I'm gonna pop back with my guys down here. Try to fucking push up around. No, like I said, they're up across the road. I might try crawling up, but I don't know. Okay, they're probably in those buildings in front of us. So be cognizant of that.
After capturing ranch, we carried on deeper into the field further south towards Castle to try to catch any enemy teams from the rear.
Are they looking this way? I don't think so. Okay. They are. We're gonna. Are they enemy? Hey, stop. We're just gonna cut this way, but you're gonna come back to me so they don't see us. We're gonna come up right behind them. They're in these buildings too.
After eliminating this enemy squad, we pushed from the north side of the castle over to bunker to check out for enemy players. While there, we realized it was empty and captured it, but noticed a large enemy force to the south fighting with friendly forces just northeast of City North.
Hey, we're just gonna keep going. Hey, come over here and give this bitch a love tap. Hey, I'm looking at a whole squad down this road in front of us. Do you just want to keep going? Yeah.
Why not?
You push the guys on the right, I'll push the guys on the left. Federation! Federation! I don't know if it's clear between us. I don't know if it's clear between us. Hey, my guys need to go back and refit though, so we're gonna have to leave this to you.
Whoa, you're good.
Yo, good shit.
With the thermals? 4. No, obviously you don't have to walk with them, hold them up against your face. You have yours on your phone, right? Yeah. So what I want you to do is call out if you see something. Right? So say, I got...
So after that last engagement, we refit, and we had a couple more small skirmishes around the map. However, until the night game, there weren't really anything notable or that I felt I should add into this video to make it longer. So we're going to go into the night game. The new players that I brought, due to the rain and everything else and them not having night vision, did not want to stay. Luckily, I was able to find a group of people willing to let me run with them. So this will be the footage through my NVG recorder on my DTMVSs. Keep in mind that what you're seeing isn't exactly what I'm seeing. For some reason, the camera still has issues with its contrast, so it's actually a lot darker on the camera than what I'm actually seeing. But we'll jump right into it. And again, don't know the name of this group, but shout out to these guys. They were some homies, and we put in some work on this night game, as you'll see.
Don't ever use these tactics in real life, okay? Don't ever do this. This is the worst.
Had him messing with his camera.
He does. He has a yeah. I think he taped it up though.
For the start of our night movement, we pushed to the north side of the field against the west border line in the attempt to try to sneak behind the enemy team. As I'm editing this more and more, I'm seeing that the fog and the overcast just did not help my camera record through my night vision at all. So hopefully this beginning part's enjoyable still, but the camera is just not doing my night vision justice.
No, not that. Like down the road. What is that?
On you, man. Send it.
No, don't shoot him. I'm seeing. I don't need.
Shorts.
Yeah, I'm seeing shorts, t-shirts, no weapons.
So I ended up having an issue with my camera there for some other reason. It just stopped recording. I was able to fix it, so I have some more footage here of when we went to the castle, but just like a sum. Essentially, we were able to wipe out like a good chunk of that squad, and then another group came through and kind of picked us off one by one. Once me and our homie with the nods got taken out, our guys with the flashlights were kind of cooked.
Directly ahead. I'm not picking up everything, but they could be digging in.
Friendly's approaching from the rear. Federation.
So we were informed the castle was under our control. However, as we moved up, nobody responded to us, and it kind of got a little sticky. So as you'll see here in a little bit, I'm going to yell at my teammate to take cover, and then I'm going to blast a white light just to PID the uniform that one of these dead guys is wearing. We have no idea what's going on.
I'm calling it out. Just fucking PID somebody.
Hey, you guys good? We got a team coming. What the fuck? Us or what?
Where'd that come from?
I don't know who you are.
Who are you guys?
I'm dead.
Who's not dead in here?
Hold on. Hey, get in cover. Get in cover. I'm gonna do something real quick. They're tan. Not friendly. Not friendly. Hey, you're getting hit with a light. Get out of the way. No, he's hit.
See me hit? Right fucking here. Can I pull the light out or are you gonna shoot me again?
Hey, homies down low, outside the gate. You guys hear me? Hey, I was the guy on point with nods. Come up the fucking gate from... Please don't shoot me. Please, I'm on your fucking team.
So after that small engagement there and eliminating the one tan player at the gate, I snuck all the way around the backside of the castle and came up the back staircase, found another green team member, and we secured one half of the upper floor. The other half still had tan players on it. So I secured the ramp up from the front and tried to pull in our other teammates who didn't have nods to get more guns up on the wall.
Hey, hold on. We got... Right side's clear, left side's not. Left side's not. And then there's also a guy... I'm hitting him with my tracers. That's where we're focused on.
Hello.
So that machine gun to our right, behind us, that's our guy.
Friendly.
Yeah.
I hear him. You're in the cross way. You know? Yeah, I know. Machine gun in the hole. Yep. Watch the corner.
Wait, where'd your homie with the nods go?
So once I got more guns on the wall, I snuck back down in an attempt to make it back under to another staircase behind the other side. However, I got heard or something, and they started trying to throw frags down and sent another nods member on the lower level after me.
Hey, use white light, help Hunter out.
Oh, you got me.
Well, that's going to wrap up our gameplay from Night Sky 8 hosted by Other World Milsim. If you guys are in the Northeast and you're looking to get into Milsim, Other World Milsim is definitely, in my opinion, one of the more beginner-friendly Milsim events that helps you get more out of the large open play and more into the squad and team tactics, more to Milsim and less to just a large Airsoft open play. It also still caters more to the experienced Milsim player and Airsofter on a more casual level, but still giving you a full-blown Milsim event, just not as long. The skirmish system that they started, this is the first event that I've been to that they used it, and honestly, it's pretty sick. I didn't do the live map, but I liked it a lot, like actually tagging and capturing points with the little band you had. At first, I was kind of skeptical about it, but actually using it, it's pretty fucking sick. Again, shout out to the guys that let me run at the night game, and then also the newer players that I ran with in my group. This was their first Milsim event, and they actually invited me to come out, so I appreciate that. I know I kind of took charge, being more experienced, but I think it worked out in the end, and they did tell me they had a blast. So until next time, guys, Don't forget, have a great day.